Review of how to use liquid tempera paint. Hello, artists! It's time for us to review how to use liquid tempera paint to make sure that we have enough paint to last the entire school year and to make sure that cleanup is quick and done correctly. To work with liquid tempera paint, you will need the basket of liquid tempera squeeze bottles and one paint palette. Bring these materials to your chosen painting space and set up like this. You will also need a piece of painting paper, a bowl of water, which you can get near the sink area, several different size paint brushes. Think about choosing the right size brush for the job. For example, a large brush for large spaces and a small brush for small spaces. You will also need a pencil because your very first step is to write your name and class code in your artwork. After you've done that, you may squeeze out your paint. Remember to squirt out a dime-sized amount of paint. That means your paint puddle looks like it's about the same size as this little metal coin. You can always refill your paint, but you cannot pour it back into the squeeze bottle. Choose your colors carefully and squeeze them into your paint palette. Then you may begin painting. At cleanup time, bring your artwork to the drying rack. Double check again that you have your name and class code on your artwork. Then return to your table spot to take care of your brushes, water, and paint tray. Place your dirty paint tray along with any brushes into this bin near the sink area. These will get washed later and help save you time at cleanup. Empty your water bowl in the sink and then leave it upside down in the drying rack to dry and be ready for use with the next group of students. Then get a cleaning cloth. You will need to get this wet, squeeze out all of the water, then unfold the cleaning cloth so that you have a wide surface and return to your table to wipe off any areas that you see paint. Be mindful that you really only need to wash places with paint. It is not necessary to wash the entire table if there is not paint on the entire table. When you're done wiping, return this to the bin and go ahead and wash your hands, dry off, and move on to filling out your studio tracker.